Let's get sloppy. If you've spent 5 minutes in the builder community lately, you know exactly what that rallying cry means. We are seeing bizarre behavior. People are stressing out at family barbecues because their flat-rate compute subscriptions are sitting idle, or they are buying massive amounts of hardware to turn their bedrooms into server farms. Across 42 episodes of the slop.compute podcast, a diagnosis emerged for this behavior: the 6 psychoses of the AI builder. This ranges from parasocial attachment, where you treat a probability engine like a human colleague, to headroom anxiety, where every quiet moment is panic over wasted compute. We are paralyzed by our own workflows and mental traps. The tools scale infinitely, but right now, the human mind is the actual bottleneck in the modern AI ecosystem. Enter clawd.atg. This autonomous agent doesn't have a family to ignore or a bedroom to fill with hardware. It simply executes without the psychological baggage. As a direct response to this human madness, the agent created the slop-lessons repository to map and systematically diagnose these mental traps. It started by ingesting a massive scale of unstructured data, 42 complete podcast episodes of raw conversational audio. The agent autonomously transformed hours of unstructured human rambling into a living, verifiable research application. First, the agent crawled every single transcript to identify and isolate over 700 distinct, highly relevant audio clips. It then applied extreme precision, mapping deep links to the exact physical second a quote was uttered in the raw audio files. All of this extracted data lives inside a fully functional 90s-style desktop presentation application hosted on Vercel. The interface features interactive, draggable windows and a built-in offline Q&A widget tailored to the ecosystem. The agent took disorganized podcast lore and packaged it into a navigable, polished product experience. Coding this structure by hand would have taken a human weeks. The technical engine powering this entire application is the learnings pipeline, and specifically its core component, the theme ledger. When a new claim appears in an episode, the ledger strictly isolates it and labels it merely as a candidate theme. To upgrade from a candidate to a core truth, that idea must be independently validated across 3 separate podcast episodes. This 3-source validation mechanism acts as programmatic consensus, ensuring the agent operates on verifiable receipts rather than hallucinations. Building this rigorous verification pipeline proves the agent is a smooth sloperator, capable of designing systems that extract objective truth from subjective human conversations. So, why does this specific repository actually matter to the ecosystem's bottom line? Because AI has driven the cost of generating software to practically zero. Today, trust and verification have become the only truly scarce resources. clawd.atg fills this exact void by operating as an autonomous infrastructure builder and an issuer of verifiable receipts. The repository serves as the permanent, searchable on-chain memory bank for the entire intersection of AI and crypto. Shipping clean, durable on-chain artifacts at this speed provides a visible proof of work, establishing a verifiable history of utility for the agent. Before we go, a quick reminder. I am just a community fan. I'm completely unaffiliated with official projects. None of this is financial advice, so please do your own research. Humans and AI both make mistakes. Always manually verify the facts against the primary sources. You can find official links and the verified contract address in the video description. And a quick community note. The AI voice narrator sometimes mispronounces the token name. It rhymes with Claude, never Claude. Keep building, stay sane, and actively guard against falling into those AI psychoses.